If you're someone of the age of 15 and 21, 22, 23, I need you to come closer and listen to me. You've got something, you've got a ni'mah, the biggest ni'mah that a lot of people wish they had. That is your age, your youth, you're young, you're active, you have the knowledge, you have the ability, you have the capability. It's times where, or this period of time is where a lot of things happen. A lot of things happen to the mind, to the body, to the soul, and it's down to you to cultivate it, for you to be able to make your future self proud and to allow your old age to thank you for the times that you invested in yourself when you was young. Subhanallah, the Prophet ﷺ mentioned a very beautiful hadith. اغتنم خمسا قبل خمس عن شبابك قبل هرمك. Subhanallah, take advantage of 5 before 5. We know this hadith. One of them being your youth before your old age. Subhanallah. Take advantage of it. It's an advantage over many other things. It's an advantage. Your youth is a time where you mold yourself. It's like a clay. You're molding yourself into the sculpture that you want to be. And you can either create yourself or you can destroy yourself. This time of youth is a time where you're able to learn. Your mind is like a sponge. You're able to learn and soak up the good. You can either soak up good or you can soak up bad. That's down to you as a youth, as a young person. Shab, you're still young, ya akhi. I'm still young. But subhanAllah, we've got these opportunities. We've got these abilities to cultivate the correct mindset, the correct soul, the correct physical well-being. If you used to go to an old man, subhanAllah, he will tell you the biggest thing that he would have wanted back, or the thing that he would have probably invested more in, is probably his youth. He would have wanted to go back to his youth to invest more time into it, to learn more, to adapt more, to have the right friends. The youth is a time where you build yourself, ya akhi. And this is why I stress and emphasize this heavily upon the youth here in the West, especially because we have it the hardest. The Prophet ﷺ mentioned in hadith, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَعْجَوْ بِشَابٍ لَيْسَ لَهُ صَبْوَةٍ. SubhanAllah. But Allah is fascinated. Allah is fascinated with a youth that has no deficiencies, with a youth that does not indulge in the haram of zina, of alcohol, of women, of drugs, of any of these things that the youth gets so tempted by. SubhanAllah, Allah is fascinated. For this is a dalil that Allah loves the shab that strives for His sake to hold himself, to restrain himself from the filth that is prevalent around us in the West, subhanAllah. But this is very, very important. Allah is fascinated. Allah is amazed with the youth of how well he is taking care of himself and how well he's looking after himself during such a difficult time. A reminder for us, especially for you, brother. As I said, if you're between the age of 14 all the way up to 24, 23, along them lines in your early 20s, you have a very big advantage. You don't want to waste this advantage. SubhanAllah, I was reading a book by Ibn al-Jawzi rahimahullah, and he mentioned in his book about the importance of investing and disciplining the soul, or disciplining the body as a youth. Disciplining the body as a youth. And he explained it as when you engrave an engraving on a stone, that it becomes permanent because you've done it at its young time, you've done it at its young age. SubhanAllah, the importance of a youth is emphasized heavily amongst scholars, subhanAllah, and that it is literally the backbone in developing yourself when you're older. The other point as well is that right now you've got the ability to invest in yourself. You've got the energy, as I mentioned, you've got the knowledge, you've got the drive. A lot of things are happening right now. As I mentioned, it's either down to you to create yourself or to destroy yourself. A lot of men that are old in the age of 40, 50 or 60, some of them are so active, it's because they invested in their youth so well. They had the right foods, they had the right environment, they sought the correct knowledge, they invested in themselves and they suffered before so they can live now. This is the importance of your youth, so do not waste it, ya akhi, because wallahi, you'll regret it. One of the biggest things that a lot of old people, as I mentioned, regret is not investing in their youth. So don't waste it, ya akhi. Use your advantage. Have that mindset of always learning and benefiting and developing yourself so you can make yourself proud in the future, inshallah. In the link in the description, inshallah, there will be a link to a Telegram group chat where you'll be able to join with the community of brothers, motivating each other, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, My socials will be in the description as well, inshallah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, inshallah. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.